Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we are going to make a very cute Ankara bag. I will be using this is bridal satin with gum stay. This is zip. This is Ankara fabric. This is breast pad or wadding. Then this is lining. We'll be using tape as well. So this fabric, the length is 18 inches and the width is 11.5 inches. The same thing for the breast pad, 18 inches, 11.5. Then the same thing for the lining. So what I will do now, I will go and iron. I want to stick this breast pad to my Ankara fabric. On your breast pad, there is a part that has adjustment. Let that part to be backing your Ankara fabric, so that when you press it with your hot iron, it will stick together. So I am done ironing. I have stick the gum stay to the Ankara fabric. So I just lay back my lining and we are going to fold like this and fold like this. So after folding, I folded the first time and I folded on their self. So this is what I have. You measure 2.5 from the upper side, you mark, and measure 2.5 from the downside too, you mark. You just with a straight line connect them together. So now you will now mark 3 inches, another 3 inches. Then this one will also be 3 inches. So we are going to make lines. Look at where I started drawing my line from, not from this opening side, from the inside. I started drawing my line like a zigzag line. Then draw like this. This is what it looks like. So I'll call this out now. So I just call this line out. Then this is what I have. When you open it up, this is what it looks like. So now we'll do the handle of the bag. This is the handle of the bag. I said this is bridal satin. The length is 13 inches by 3 inches. So what I will do is I'll fold 1/2 inch on the right side and 1/2 inch on this other side. Half inch on the both side, then you clap it together on yourself. So I'll run a stitch this side and this other side. I'll do the same thing for the other one. So let me stitch. So I have stitched the handle. I stitch on this side and I stitch on this other side for the both of them. So on your bag, measure 1 inch on your right side and measure 1 inch on your left side. This is where we are going to be fixing the handle of the bag. You're going to stitch 1/2 inch Then we'll do the same thing for this one. So now I'm going to stitch half an inch and half an inch here. So let me stitch. So I have stitched the both handle. Now I'm going to fix zip on the back. This is the zip I am using. I'm going to open this zip separate. So we're going to fix one of the zip first. The teeth of the zip will be facing inside our bag. Look at the way I put it. The zip is facing on the bag. So you use your lining to line it. Put your zip and use your lining to line them with pin. So now we are going to pin the other side of the bag the way we pin this side. This zip should be facing inside the bag. The teeth should be facing inside the bag. So you place your lining also. You put the zip on the material, then you fix your lining and pin it. So I have pinned the zip to the bag. I'm going to stitch to this end, and I'm going to stitch this side as well. I have stitched the zip. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to turn it inside out. So I have turned it inside out. This is what the bag look like. Now I want to top stitch here to this side and top stitch here so that this lining will not be hooking the zip when we want to zip it together. So let me sew it. So now I have top stitch on the zip, and I did the same thing for this side as well. So now I'm going to close the bag. Then I'll turn it inside out from this opening. So I've turned the bag inside out. We are going to stitch this opening. Lay the zip part at the down of the bag. So we are going to stitch like this. So let me use pin to secure it. This side also, just use pin to secure your zip together. Then You're going to also stitch this side. You stitch this side and stitch on the zip to this side as well. So I have stitched the bag and stitch like this. Then I stitch this other side too. So I will cut off this excess zip and cut off this other side too. So we'll open the zipper and we'll turn the bag inside out. So this is what the bag looks like. The sewing is like triangle. So this is how the bag look like. So tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara cute little bag.